Hi Beshies! Good morning and welcome back sa aking YouTube channel. Andito na ulit ngayon ang inyong ate Jaja. For today's vlog, I'm with Maring Berna.
Hi!
Ayan. Yes. She's still working and andito kami ngayon sa Batangas Port because we're going to Romblon. This is going to be my 45th Philippine province. So I'm very excited. Actually, madami pang ganap for today's video. So, samahan nyo kami sa aming travel today!
Ito yung ticket nila, guys.
So, our ticket is 1,800 pesos. One way lang siya, Beshies, and we chose yung tourist para may AC tapos makahiga pa rin kami sa bed. But actually, the other option was yung reclining. Nung nakita ko siya, maganda rin siya. Para siyang lazy boy couch. Pero yun nga.
Terminal ticket ma'am, then gate 1.
Okay, thank you. Diretso na kami sa Terminal 1 or sa kabila. Okay, thank you. Okay na, Mare. Bigat. Okay, so yun. We already have our ticket. It's secured. Aming plane ticket. Charis. Plane ticket. Actually, Beshies, wait lang ang ingay. Anyway, Beshies, we made it here dito sa waiting area or sa boarding area. This is my third time dito sa Batangas Pier. First time ko dito was going to Boracay sa Katiklan via to go, and sobrang bago na, like, nanibago ako. Ang ganda na ng pier dito. Very airport na yung datingan or airport feels. I mean, comparing it to the previous port na naabutan ko, it's really different now. Plus, marami ng kainan sa labas. Like, you have a lot of options. May dali, may lembes, may chicken, potato corner. I don't think magugutom pa kayo dito kung matagal man kayo maghintay. And honestly, yeah, it's so good. Ako personally, guys, this is not sponsored tour ng Starlight, but ako is bumili ako ng ticket sa travel agency. Doon ako ni-refer ng friend ko kasi for some reason hindi ako makapag-book sa website nila. I kept on trying na mag-book sa website nila but hindi ako na-direct sa actual ticketing. So yun, sabi ng friend ko, meron palang connected na agency ang Starlight. And yun, actually same price nga eh. I thought may difference but same price lang siya. And I'm so glad na ganun na lang yung ginawa ko kasi nag-request ako ng lower bunk bed for the two of us para mas maayos yung sleep namin. So our ticket again is 1,800 pesos and the travel time is 9 hours. So aalis yung barko dito ng 4 p.m. and siguro mga around 1 a.m. yun, nandun na kami sa Romblon. Yung kausap ko na tour guide, actually, matagal ko na siyang nakakausap before kasi matagal ko ng plan mag-Romblon. Tapos sinabi niya sa akin na Romblon nga daw yung pinaka dapat kong puntahan if I want to tour around sa Romblon kasi medyo malayo daw yung Ojongan. So yun, actually we're just gonna stay sa Romblon. Initially we plan to go to Katiklan and then Antique, but looking at dun sa itinerary, actually yun yung reason. Talagang hindi naman kami magagahol sa oras, but grabe yung pagod kasi parang one day lang kami sa Romblon, tapos next day lipat na kami pupuntang Ojongan, tapos stay lang kami doon, tapos punta naman kaming Katiklan, tapos from Katiklan punta kaming Antique. I mean, doable naman siya, but I think mas better if we stay muna sa Romblon para mas ma-appreciate namin yung island and yung beauty ng Romblon, because even my previous manager kept on telling me na sobrang ganda ng Romblon, and I saw the pictures and I will attest talaga na maganda siya even if hindi pa ako nakakarating doon. So, samahan nyo kami sa vlog na to. It's gonna be a 3-day vlog, I think. So, yun. I'm excited na. Are you excited?
Yes!
This is your 32nd Philippine province. And you know what's funny, Beshies, is actually, we're not planning na every year meron kaming gala. And you know Facebook memories, right? Nung nakita ko yung Facebook memories last week, so this month din, last week, nakita ko, sabi ko, wait lang. Nasa Sagada kami 2 years ago. And then, after a week, lumabas naman sa memories ko na nasa Tarlac kaming dalawa. So, parang without us knowing, yearly kami nakakapag-travel together. So, I don't wanna jinx it. I don't wanna plan for it. But hopefully, next year, meron pa kaming mapuntahan together. So, yun lang. I'm so excited to travel. This is the second or third travel ko pa lang for this year. Yeah, because a lot of things happened. But, yeah, yun lang. I'm using my mic ngayon kasi medyo malakas yung pag-a-announce. Ang ganda ng pier. I'll show you guys yung waiting area. So, ayan ang kanilang... Ay, okay, wait lang. Ayan ang kanilang screen. Ayan, so dyan yung makikita yung parang gate nila, kung anong mga vessel name, shipping line, and all that. And then here is their waiting area. It's so neat. It's so clean. And they also have charging station. Actually, marami silang charging station. Ayan, yung mga corner na, ayan, hindi yata kaya ng zoom ko. But yan, yung mga corner na yan, that's charging station. Ayan, diba? It's so clean, guys. Or maybe, kasi hindi siya peak season, kaya hindi rin super dami ng tao. But hopefully, ma-maintain nila tong cleanliness ng area na to, no? Kasi pati yung CR, it's nice. It's really nice. Very interesting. And for the first time ever, magta-travel ako na naka-backpack lang. Usually, I travel with luggage or kaya marami talagang bag. But right now talaga, travel light lang tayo for today's video. And medyo basa pa yung buhok ko, kaya ginaganto-ganto ko siya. Anyway, so yun. Ano pa bang gusto niyo malaman? So, yung tour guide, lalagay ko yung details sa description down below if you want to contact him. Bukas pa natin malalaman at ma-judge ang yung service ni Kuya. But hopefully, maganda yung maging experience namin with Romblon. We booked yung land tour, but sa land tour naman kasi, Beshes, dito sa Pilipinas, it's very common kapag mga island, hindi lang land tour. Talagang pupunta kayo sa dagat. So, yun. Diba? Land tour na may kahalong dagat. So, yun. And then, ang sabi ko kay Kuya, hopefully, yung mapagstayhan namin is yung malapit na sa dagat na resort or like hotel. Pero yun, sinandi ko yung picture and parang siyang kubo style, tapos malapit siya sa dagat. So may dala akong banig, may mga chips at magbumuni-muni kami doon and magchichika about life. So excited talaga. Kasi parang ito na talaga, I really looked forward for this travel to happen. So yun, it's currently 2:14 na ng hapon. Our boarding time is 4 p.m. May libreng food yung aming ticket, but I'm not sure kung anong food. And I'll tour you around sa Starlight. We are now boarding, guys. Let's go. Actually, yung ticket ko pala nasa likod. Wait lang. Mara, yung ticket ko pala nasa likod. Dito sa pitak sa likod. Kaya mo buhain o hindi? Oo. Ayan, thank you. Pati yung isa kailangan. Ito lang naman, di ba? Okay na pala. Thanks, Mare. This is the ticket. So excited. Alam mo, hindi ko akalain na matutuloy tayo.
Bakit?
Inaya ba kita? I mean, alam mo ba na dapat pupunta ako dito, tapos inaya kita?
Nagsabi ka ng ano?
Kung gusto ko. Yeah. Pero last time tayong dalawa lang din. Hindi kasama sila Ailey.
Hindi na nalipat yung day. Kaya pag-alis sa'yo na January ng 2020.
Okay.
Pero kasi hindi si Gladys.
Oh, yeah. Dapat kasama si Gladys. Naalala ko na. Tapos hindi natutuloy yung lakad. But anyway. Sama na. Push pa rin naman kami. next year, hopefully. Marami pa kaming travel vlogs, actually. Yay! We're going to Romblon! So excited! Hi! Ano siya, guys? Ito, beshies, ang aming bed. So, tourist siya. And we requested the lower bunk bed. So, happy. Ito si Verna. Verns. Ayan. Diba? Shala. Oh yeah, may ilaw. Saan na nabuksan ilaw? Saan mo nabuksan? Taas? Ba't wala? Aww. So, paano to? Ito, may ilaw siya dito. Let's ask. Ito yung ating tourist na bunk bed. Beshes, ito yung ating tourist na bunk bed. Meron siyang ilaw sa loob and then parang may mataas na part dito which is going to be the pillow. Itong side na to. Anyway, I feel like okay naman siya. Makakahiga ka naman na maayos. Actually, comfy naman siya and then malamig din siya. So, it's fine. It's fine. I like it. Comparing it with yung to go, mas malaki lang siya. Kasi mas malaki din yung barko niya eh. So, ayun. Mamaya itutur ko kayo sa CR, sa rooftop, and yung mga food natin. Anyway, see you! Beshes, ito yung itsura niya. And then, ito yung room. Ayan yung mga bunk bed. So, so, beshies, hahanapin lang namin yung meal stop kasi meron yung free meal yung nakuha namin na ticket. Honestly, hindi ko alam kung saan siya, but let's see. Taas daw. Ayun. Sirs, saan yung meal? Ayun. Sa loob. Anyway, ito yung labas niya, guys. Dito pa rin kami sa port. And hanggang 6 PM lang daw kasi pwede mag-claim ng meal. So, yun. Kunin lang namin yung meal namin. Kasi binayadan din siya, guys. Okay. Marami din kaming kasabay na kukuha ng meals. I wonder magkano siya kapag walang meals, no? Kasi nung nag-book ako ng agency, nung nag-book ako ng ticket, kasama na siya. So, hello.
Hello.
Anyway, let's go ahead and check yung meals. Whoa, ito pala yun. Ito yung dining area nila. Actually, malapit. Katabi lang ng bed namin. Ito. And then, meron sila brushes nito. If you wanna relax or massage. Oh, taray. And then, pwede tayong magtambay dito, oh. Kasi kita yung view and all. May TV rin siya. That's so nice. Jaja approved. Ito pala, Beshi. So, if you're craving for snacks, no need to worry kasi ang dami nila mga food dito. Pati yun, no? May mga coffee sila, breakfast. It's nice and affordable naman din siya. Oh, yung mga corn silog nila. Oh, that's nice. Jaja approved. So, Beshies, wala para siyang rooftop daw. So, maybe yung ibang Starlight na barko meron. Like yung karaoke, parang bar. Dito walang ganun. So, dito lang tayo sa bed. And labas lang tayo later once na umandar na siya. But, pakita ko sa inyo yung meal, yung free meal. I think this is pork binagoongan. Okay, so, ito siya guys. Yan, pork. And then rice. So, let's eat. Kakaalis lang ng barko, Beshi. So, yun. Ang ganda ng view. Wait, paano ba to? Paano ko ba mapakita sa inyo na may justice? Ayan. Oh my gosh, diba? I love traveling so much. Ang ganda ng Pilipinas. Yay! So, ayun. Tamang senti lang kami dito. sobrang saya. Ang ganda. Na-miss ko talaga mag-travel, guys. Anyway, look. Beshies, nahanap na namin ang sunset. It's so perfect, but wala pa kami sa Romblon. We're already tanned. Look. Oh, it's so pretty. Good morning, guys. So, continuation lang to ng vlog natin today. And it's already 1 o'clock a.m. So, malapit na tayo sa Romblon, ang capital ng Romblon. Anyway, so, I am so glad na Mama reminded me to bring jacket kasi malamig dito. Tapos, may dala rin akong pajama. Kaya, nagsuot din ako ng pajama kasi malamig din, guys. Kasi wala akong dalang kumot kasi nga maliit lang yung bag ko or yung backpack ko. Nakatulog naman ako. Tinitingnan ko kung na-track nung watch ko kung ilang oras akong tulog but hindi. So, siguro more or less mga 3 hours ako nakatulog, which is not bad. Considering na panggabi yung work ko, nakatulog din ako sa gabi. So, it's all good. Nag-charge lang ako ng phone ko. We will have our breakfast na lang sa resort kasi may dala akong rice and hot dog and egg. O, diba? Bongga. But nagugutom ako. But gusto ko ng kape. Ano yung mga gantong moment? Masarap yung kape. But anyway, kahapon, nakapag-CR pa kami. I would say it's slightly Jaja approved. Depende siguro sa last na gumamit. Kasi yung CR kahapon, maayos naman. But hindi nagpa-flush yung last na gumamit, nakakabwisit. Anyway. Nahilo ba ako? No. Kasi siguro hindi na-conquer ko na lang din talaga yung mga ganitong moments. So, kaka-travel. I'm so sleepy. So, maybe pagdating namin doon, we could still do some power nap. Kasi, based sa itinerary, 2 a.m. pa kami darating. Yeah. Makakatulog pa kami. Sinabihan ko na yung tour guide na alas 2 yung dating ng barko. Actually, siya yung nagsabi sa akin. I was supposed to book yung Ojongan. But sabi niya na kung mamalayo yan, dapat Romblon kayo and Starlight lang yung bumabiyahe doon. So, yun. Kaya siya rin yung sabi sa akin ng kung anong sasakyan. Tapos, siya rin yung nagsabi sa akin na kung siya rin yung naghanap kung saan pala kami magsastay. So, malaking tulong talaga yung mga ganun na tour guide. And yun, very excited to travel, finally. And I'll see you guys in a bit. We made it here, Beshi, sa Romblon, my 45th Philippine province. Anyway, let's go. Let's disembark this ship. Oh, I'm so happy, guys. Sabi ko talaga sa family ko, I'm really, really, really happy. Kasi, nakapag-travel ako again. Definitely a great plot twist for this year. Anyway. Mami! Ayoko umaambon. Meron akong payong. So, umaambon, guys. And punta na kami sa accommodation. Beshies, we made it here sa Talipasak Resort. Dito kami magsistay for 3 days. Technically 3 days. Welcome to the marble capital of the Philippines. Tingnan nyo, Beshies, yung sahig on where we're staying. Oh my gosh. Ayan o. It's really marble. It's really marble. Ang shala. So nice. And ang ganda pala ng room namin, beshies. It's worth it for, I believe, napabook ko to kay kuya ng 1,800 yung AC room nila. Meron din silang non-AC room if I'm not mistaken. But sabi ko yung AC na lang since dalawa naman kami. Ito yung bed. So that's the bed. They provided us towels and then meron silang guest kit. And then merong kasama na. May CR na din. So it's nice. Oh my gosh. Shallow naman itong ano guys. Shallow nito. Pearly shell from the ocean and marble like everywhere. Very, very Jaja approved. Tama ba? Yeah, it's very Jaja approved yung CR, guys. But ito, ang cute. Cute ng pupanig, no? It's so nice. Oh my gosh. Ang ganda dito. I like it. So far, ang downside lang is maulan ngayon. So, sinabihan ko si Kuya Orly na yung tour guide namin na if maulan until 7 AM, then we can have the land tour tomorrow. But if maaraw na siya na 7 AM, then we'll push through. Either way, we'll stay here naman ng, again, 3 days. Kasi yung pabalik namin ng Batangas, 10 PM pa yung barko. So, di ba makakapag-travel pa rin kami even sa last day namin dito sa Romblon. But so far, I'm happy with everything that is going on. May cabinet pa silang provided. Ayan, pakita natin yung cabinet. Ayan, may cabinet. Tapos, pwede din daw mag-order ng food. So, may fire escape, ganyan-ganyan. May mga hanger din. And, of course, may yung baon namin na rice, hotdog, and egg. So, makakapag-breakfast kami. But wala kaming dalang kutsara at tinidor. And maulan sa labas. So, Filipino way muna ang ating way ng pagkain. Anyway, I'll end the day 1 vlog here ng ating Romblon. I'm so excited na mapakita sa inyo yung buong tour namin dito sa Romblon. So, medyo matagal yung vlog natin. So, sana panoodin nyo hanggang end ng vlog. Shoutout to Ailey. Suot namin yung jacket na bigay ni Ailey. Kasi ito yung nahirapan talaga siya guys sa pagpili ng gift sa amin. Pero it took her months para ma-figure out kung anong jacket. Yung kay Verna din, yan. Din ang bigay ni ni Ailey na jacket. But anyway, ang shala nito, oh, very romantic yung peg nitong curtain. Eksena. O, diba? Hindi mo kinaya. But anyway, that's it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed. Do not forget to hit like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel. Follow and like my Facebook and Instagram page as well. Ang link ay nasa description down below. Stay safe, stay happy, and stay healthy sa inyong buong family. God bless us all and see you on my next vlog. Bye! Bye, Mare!
Bye!